Welcome to IB Physics at WIS. Hopefully this short video will help you to determine whether standard level physics or higher level physics is a better choice for you. Here's an outline of the topics. More detail is given on the following slide. IB likes to organize the information like this. Some of these topics should look familiar, like forces and momentum or work, energy, and power. Other topics will look new, like quantum physics, for example. If you'd like more time to look over these details, you can pause the video now. The big difference between higher level and standard level is the amount of time that goes into the course. Higher level students over the course of 2 years will have 180 hours of instruction and 60 hours of lab work. Standard level students over the course of 2 years will have 110 hours of instruction and 40 hours of lab work. You'll see that the expectations for the internal assessment and the collaborative sciences project are the same for all IB physics students. There are a lot of similarities between the two courses. The slide shown earlier with the topics had 25 separate topics. 19 of those 25 topics are the same for HL and SL students. You're going to use the same lab skills, whether you study HL or SL physics. And again, the expectations for the internal assessment are exactly the same. They are all graded on the same IB rubric. Whether you take standard or higher level, there are times when you're going to be expected to work independently, and there are other times when you're expected to work collaboratively with your classmates. The big differences, of course, higher level has more content. 6 of the 25 topics are exclusively for higher level students, and certain other topics have additional higher level material. Higher level involves a little bit more math. To give an example there, higher level students will use logarithms to solve certain problems. That's not an expectation for standard level students. Higher level covers more complex concepts. An example there would be quantum physics, which is very interesting, but very complicated and only for HL students. And finally, HL exam questions are more challenging. That's not just for physics, that's for any IB course. You can expect more challenge when you have HL compared to SL. Why should you study IB physics? Nature is governed by the laws of physics. The better you understand the laws of physics, the better you understand why things do what they do. You are going to develop your problem-solving skills. This isn't necessarily your math skills. Hopefully your math class will help you to develop your math skills. This course is going to help you figure out which concepts you can apply to solve specific problems and how to set those problems up. You're going to develop your lab skills. And since every lab involves gathering data, you're going to learn how to critically analyze and interpret the data. By the end of the course, the goal is for you to be able to look at a set of data and make some sense of it. Of course, if you know you're going to go on to study science, engineering, applied math, a course like this is going to help set you up for success. And finally, it's challenging, but it is enjoyable. And to give you another perspective, I'm going to show you a current IB physics student.
Okay, welcome to IB Physics. We have engaging material, lots of labs, and short tests. It's hard, but you like it, and you get to learn a lot of random cool stuff beyond the scope of the class. There's chill amounts of homework, great teachers, and you might even get to go to Six Flags. If you like duct tape and hate Barney, this is the class for you.
If you have further questions about the course or the content of the course, please contact your nearest WIS physics teacher. We all teach IB physics. We all enjoy teaching IB physics, and we hope you enjoy learning IB physics. Thank you for your attention, and good luck making your IB choices.